Good day everyone. Today I've got the first aid kit from Freigeist. I'm going to show a little bit the usability and what's included inside the kit. If you wish to know more about it, then stay and watch continue this video. And of course, if you have any kind of questions about it, then write in the comments below. If you wish to support me and my channel, then subscribe to this channel. Let's now get into it. Hello and welcome back. For the usability, I was going with my fingers above the surface here and to see if there's anything sharp here and or a sharp edge where you can get injured or a scratch on your skin. But I couldn't find here anywhere here and then I was looking a little bit the zipper here to see if it works here and as you can see it works still perfectly. There's absolutely no problem with the zipper here. Additional to that, what I saw here is, they have put here two additional carabiners here. In my opinion, that's a plus point here, what I did for usability, because you can hang this first aid kit here anywhere where you want it, and use basically just these two carabiners here. And that's it for the usability. Let's now see what's the content inside of this first aid kit, and see you there. Now let's check out what's included inside the first aid kit here. First of all, we have here two bandages. One is a large size and one is a middle size or big size. I don't know, but I don't know if you can see it here. This one is definitely bigger than this one here. Then we have here two wet wipes here to clean, for example, the surface of a skin here. Then two hydrogel. If you have any kind of a burning here on the skin, then you put the hydrogel on it. Two of them. Then we have here emergency whistle. Here we have a tape. That's in my opinion a plus point what I did here to putting a tape here additional to it. Then we have here two gloves here. Then we have here medical strips here. Big pack here. There are even a lot of them here. Now to the left side of the first aid kit. First of all, we have here a table of content. It's basically all written what's included inside the first aid kit. I'm going to show it here a little bit in the camera. It means Inhaltsverzeichnis. That's table of content in English then. Here we have a big scissor. It's absolutely sharp and robust. In my opinion, that's a plus point here. What I did here to choose a bigger scissor here, because for usability, if we want to cut some bandages, and it's more easily to cut it. In the most first aid kits, what I saw is the scissor was so small, and it's absolutely useless. But if you choose a bigger one, and for usability, then it's better. Then we have here medical bandage strip here again, and for bigger wounds here, a bandage strip here. Then we have here a rescue blanket here. And at the end we have here some kind of small book, rescue book, basically it tells you how to act in an emergency here. We have here many different languages here, as you can see here. And that's it. If you have any kind of questions about this first aid kit, then write in the comments below. And of course, if you wish to support me and my channel, then subscribe to this channel. And thanks for watching. I hope to see you guys on the next time. Ciao!